For America's fossil fuel lobby, this is a major prize. They've robbed President Biden of his main tool for cutting carbon emissions from US power plants. The Supreme Court ruled 6-3 against the US Environmental Protection Agency, not stripping it of pollution-controlling powers, but preventing them being used against an entire fuel type. Conservative lobbyists are delighted.
What it did say was that the EPA did not have the power to destroy the coal industry. For something as politically and economically significant as that, it needs clear direction from Congress, and certainly that direction has not been given.
A total of 18 states and 2 coal mining companies joined West Virginia in bringing this action. Many are top coal-producing states, and no surprise, nearly all of them are Republican-led. And it matters, because over half of US electricity is generated by fossil fuels, mainly coal and gas. So it's a major setback for Joe Biden's 2050 net zero target, but not a complete loss. Firstly, look here at coal. Even through the Trump era, coal use was coming steadily down since the early 2000s, and today's ruling doesn't diminish individual states' authority to regulate emissions. There are 21 states with net zero targets of their own, and their own rules to close coal and gas power plants.
Based on sheer economics, we're seeing coal becoming increasingly uneconomic, and renewable energy, battery storage are becoming cheaper by the day, and there's a big uptake. But it's not happening fast enough, not on the scale necessary, and federal action is critical to securing the scale of that progress as quickly as we need it.
Today's victory was secured in part by Donald Trump, who, as well as digging coal, loaded the Supreme Court with conservative judges. Despite their best efforts, fossil fuels are on the way out. Question is, will today's ruling prevent them from going fast enough to prevent dangerous climate change? Tom Clark, Sky News.